Hi and welcome to Dr. Arash channel and another episode of Food as Medicine. I'm your host Sunya Arash, and in today's video we will talk about health benefits of cloves. So in today's video we have Dr. Arash with us. Welcome Dr. Arash.
Thank you for having me.
In today's video we will talk about health benefits of cloves. Can you tell us about health benefits of cloves?
Okay, first of all, let's see if people know what clove is. So clove is a spices, they considered to be one of the spices, and they are small and with a little bit of a stem and a head on. It's very small, like maybe 1 centimeter. So, and they are a dark brown color. So this is what the cloves are, if people don't know what cloves are. So what health benefit? There are many, not one. So let me first tell you what is in the clove. There is some protein, a little bit of carbohydrate, lots of vitamins, which is extremely important. It has vitamin A, vitamin K, thymine, folic acid, they are amazing vitamins to have those.
Yeah, really nice. So is it helpful for our skin?
Oh yes, that's our favorite topic, skin. Because the clove has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. So what it does is it takes away our dark circles or all the scars, and if we make it, some people use it as a face mask. They put a lemon juice in it, a little bit of honey, make paste of it, and sometimes they use clove oil, or sometimes they use clove powder. So they make it a paste and put it on your skin, like maybe or once a month even. That will be helpful, or every other week if you have more time. So that's really will your skin will shine, and because it's a natural healer. I call it as a healer. Clove is a healer actually. Anytime you want to eat something, it's a healer. And when we are putting honey in it, that makes wonderful combination.
Very nice. Does it help with weight loss?
Yes, weight loss is very important topic because what clove does is it does multiple things. Before it helps us in weight loss, it also helps us in reducing our cholesterol, and also because it actually helps to increase the metabolic rate. When our metabolic rate is increased, it means we are burning our calories faster. So that way it cloves help. It also is very helpful in diabetes. So once it's help in diabetes and cholesterol, so it automatically is helping in the weight loss. So it's extremely important how we take that. If we are taking clove in hot water, make it as a tea, hot water, and use a little bit of cardamom and honey and drink it. So that way water is also going to help in increasing the weight. It helps in reducing the weight.
Does it have any effect on mental health?
Yes, our body is not like we can separate our body from our mind and from our spiritual health. So our health is a combination of physical health, mental health, and spiritual health. So we have to treat our body such that we actually address all of these three areas. So if we are addressing the physical health, it automatically will help us in the mental health. If I'm healthy, I will feel happy. So we have to make sure that we are eating healthy to keep ourselves healthy. When I say we should walk is very important for our physical health. But our physical health is directly related to our mental health. So that's how anything we eat which is good for our body is automatically going to help my mental health. Suppose that it's if I'm like all these spices which we take help to increase our metabolic rate, and now I'm eating but I'm also burning calories. If I'm burning calories, I will look into the mirror, I'll feel happy. If I'm smart and happy, and my skin is glowing, my hair are shining, obviously all these things will make you happy. And when you are happy, then you can perform better. So at work, you're performing better, you're working better at your job. So that also is helping you in your mental health. And once you're happy, you're having good time with your friends and family, that also is reducing your stress. So one thing is connected to another. We cannot put in compartments, okay, this is separate, then this is separate. Our physical health is connected with our mental health. Our mental health is connected with our physical health. So we have to sometimes take time, maybe 5-10 minutes during the day to relax so that we perform better. And in that time we can have this clove in hot water, drink that will be good for our mind.
Very well. So you talked about all benefits. Does it have any negative effect on our body?
First of all, we have to be very appropriate whenever we are using anything. Too much of anything is bad. So moderation is the key. We have to make sure we are moderate. It's not that, okay, if it's reducing the weight, so we'll just have a bunch of cloves and taking it so we lose weight. No, it won't. Actually, it is harmful for you. So we don't want to have too much of anything. So maybe 5-6 cloves, maybe even 3-4 or 5-6 cloves in a day. They are little small items, so you can put it in the tea. I actually chew it after at the end of my tea. But it can also, sometimes people can have irritation, sometimes people can have allergic reaction from these items. So yes, it can give some people some side effects. Side effects is mostly irritation or upset stomach or maybe allergic reaction, but one has to be very careful how much they take.
Side effects. All right, thank you so much for all information and helpful tips, Dr. Aris.
Well, thank you so much for having me, and as always, we need to eat healthy, stay healthy.
Thank you so much. And if you found the clip helpful, please like our video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.